Hey, what's up, everybody? We're getting ready to randomize these numbers. You guys can see here, I just sent the text out at 8:22 p.m. I'm going to go over here to the randomizer. Here's the squares, in case everybody wants to see. Sorry, it's a little large, so those aren't the numbers, obviously. We're getting ready to randomize and put those in right now. So here we go. Let's do this. Let's do a dice roll. I'm a little rusty. So we'll always go to random.org to do our dice roll. So we're going to go to games, dice roller. Whatever number we roll will be the AFC. So we're going to go 3 times on this list, and that'll be our AFC list. 1, 2, 3. So it's 397. I'm going to put those in over here on the other sheet, then I'll show everybody. 397, 412, 0, 6, 8, and 5. So let me bring this over so everybody can see. One, 2, 0, 6, 8, 5. You can see it right there on the left. 397, 412, 0, 6, 8, 5. Now we are going to do the numbers for the NFC. We're going to roll it 10 times. In. Actually, let's just do it this way. List randomizer. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And we're going to do this list 10 times across the top. It's going to be what the NFC numbers are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are going to go 2, 5, whoops. Up here at the top, we're going to go 2, 5, 7, 9, 6, 4, 8, 0, 3, and 1. So there's our numbers across the top. 257, 964, 803, and 1. So there's our numbers for that. If you haven't got me payment in, please do so to coachpo8@yahoo.com. And I'm going to send out a copy of this so you always can have it and you'll know. And thanks again, everybody. We really appreciate it. Bye.